I'm J. Irene Y. Jugarap, and I'm the representative of the United Workers Alliance, or UWA. The United Workers Alliance, or UWA, is an industrial union because it brings together workers from different jobs like manufacturing, healthcare, retail, and education. Even though they do different work, they join forces to fight for better pay, safer workplace. By combining workers from different fields, UWA becomes stronger and can better negotiate with employers. This helps improve wages, benefits, and working conditions for everyone. It also creates a sense of teamwork where workers support each other, making it harder for employers to ignore their needs. Our vision for forming the United Workers Alliance, or UWA, is that many workers today face problems that can be solved alone. A union will bring workers together to speak up for their rights and improve their working lives. Here's why we need the union. Stories and negotiation priorities. Safer workplace. Pushing for safer conditions to protect workers. Better benefits. Fighting for better healthcare, paid time off, and retirement plans. Fair treatment. Making sure all workers are treated equally and with respect. Thank you.